Today we are hosting a terrarium building event where we provided a bunch of moss, jars, soil, charcoal, and rocks. I actually went out last week to collect some moss myself out in St. Nicholas Park. If you look closely, there's a lot of moss lying around there, so it's super fun. Today we're just helping people build them. The first layer, you want to put some pebbles to help aerate the layers. You then want to put some charcoal to create a false bottom, then soil to actually help root in all that moss. And at the very top layer, you want to add all that moss, make it look pretty and everything. We've also grabbed some local rocks from our geology lab in the basement to kind of help decorate it and everything. So it's super fun, collaborative event. And as for the club itself, we're an EAS, Earth and Atmospheric Science-based club. We like to promote just sense of community within our actual department and the students within the major. And yeah, it's a lot of fun. We do a lot of off-campus and on-campus events, professional and casual, and it's just a great time for everyone.
I've had a great time being a part of the department. I'm also part of the Geoscience Club, and that really brings the people in the department together, and I've had a lot of fun being a part of the events and things that we do on campus.